to do. Didn't catch no fish today, but I did get to see. This is what I wanted to test. Can I go across a river? This deep river. See how long it takes me to get over there. My buddy already up there. I've been close to 2 minutes recording. Took us way over there. Way over there. When I first came across her, oh man, I was scared. The wave was hitting the front of the boat. I'm kind of scared. I didn't know if I was gonna make it or not. But I made it. Now I gotta get a bit of motion. Still can push through. See how long it's gonna take to get over to the boat ramp. Myself doing this more often. I can do it by myself. Made it. So it took about, I'd say about 4 minutes. Round it off, 4 minutes it would take. It took about 4 minutes to get across there.